Hey there, it's Tom. It's December 9th, and Retouch4Me is having their Cyber Monday sale today only. But you'll get 45% off if you use my link below. This is the maximum savings on all of their apps and plugins. After today, you'll still receive 20% off using my link. Today I want to show you their newest tool, Crop. Retouch4Me Crop is their latest plugin. I've been using it over the weekend and am falling in love with it. It's so easy to use. All you do is go to your Finder or File Explorer and drag in some images you want to work with. Click on an image. If you click on this button, it's going to show you its net predictor of what it's seeing as it analyzes each image for you. So right off the bat, we can see I'm a little bit off on my crop side to side. So first off, in the upper right corner, it lets you select whatever aspect you want to choose, both vertical or horizontal. Then there's three modes. There's the auto mode, where it's going to show different crops that it likes for that image. The green one is the one that it's selecting right now, so face and shoulders. So what I really like is the fixed mode. So a lot of my shoots, I am shooting horizontal, so we can do cutouts if needed. A lot of times my clients need a vertical image for their website. So Crop automatically finds the best one. I can do upper body or even tighter. Keeps that ratio. We'll do this, and then it will apply that to all the images. So all I have to do is hit start, select where I want to save these. I'll select a new folder and call it upper body 4x5. Hit create and use that. And now Retouch4Me Crop goes through each image and finds the perfect crop for the upper body and is saving those images. How cool is that? It's the ultimate tool for fast and precise cropping. It saves time. It's so easy to use and the consistency is amazing. So you see how easy it worked on one person, but what if you wanted that consistency throughout an entire shoot? This is where it's great for school photographers or headshot photographers. A huge time saver is when you're shooting a bunch of different people and you want them sized similar. All you need to do is select the aspect that you want, select the crop that you want, and take a look. Even if it was a horizontal image and a vertical image, it's going to give you that precise, consistent crop result. So that's the new crop tool from Retouch4Me. Today on Cyber Monday, you get 45% off, but only if you use my link below. After today, you'll still receive 20% off of all Retouch4Me apps and plugins. So until next time, keep shooting.